curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever tried to lift something super heavy? Sometimes you don't need more muscle, you just need a smarter idea. Let's meet the team that helps us work smarter, not harder. Our inventor has a problem. Their brand new box of toys is way too heavy to lift up into their treehouse. This looks like a job for the Simple Machines crew. Meet the crew. These are simple machines, amazing inventions that make hard jobs easier by changing the way we use force. First up, Leo the lever. A lever is a stiff bar that pivots on a single point. That special pivot point is called the fulcrum. By placing the fulcrum close to the load, or the object you're moving, you can apply a small effort on the other end to lift something heavy. It's the same science as a seesaw. A small push far from the center can create a big lift. Okay, the box is off the ground, but how do we get it up? That's a job for Polly the pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove that a rope can run through. She's an expert at lifting things. The pulley's superpower is changing the direction of force. It's much easier for us to pull down using our own body weight than it is to pull up. You see pulleys at work on flagpoles and construction cranes. They make lifting heavy things to high places a breeze. Last but not least, meet Slo-mo the Slope. His scientific name is an inclined plane, which is just a fancy name for a ramp. Pushing or pulling something up a ramp is way easier than lifting it straight up. The distance is longer, but the force you need is much, much less. It's the ramp rule. Trade a longer distance for less effort. You see inclined planes everywhere, from slides at the playground to wheelchair ramps. With teamwork, our inventor's problem is solved. The toys and snacks are in the treehouse, all thanks to the Simple Machines crew. Once you know what to look for, you'll see these simple machines working all around you, from your neighborhood to the biggest construction sites. So remember the Simple Machines crew. Levers, pulleys, and inclined planes are amazing inventions that help us use the power of science to work smarter, not harder. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.